guys, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this fidget spinner. So let's see how it looks like. It just was on my front step this morning. Okay, I'm going to show you up close. And I am getting 2 new fidget spinners today. It's going to be here today. So these crosses there, the crosses stand for knights, and I'm pretty sure, and this stands for knights, I'm pretty sure. Looks pretty cool. It's nice and sharp and silver. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for 44 subscribers. I forgot to do a video because I had to go somewhere. I was gonna make a video, but then I had to go to a restaurant. So I'll see you all next time, guys, and goodbye. And I'll be back with another unboxing video next video. See you.